Online class for kids.
Hello there! Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. Have you ever wondered why we can't see anything when we are in a dark and enclosed space? That is because there is an absence of this thing called light. Light is essentially a form of energy. It is made of elementary particles called photons. They behave both as a particle and a wave. Photons can only be created or destroyed at the moment of their creation. They travel at the speed of light at 299,792,458 meters per second. They are the fastest things in the universe. The light we see, or visible light, is actually only a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves, infrared waves, visible light, UV rays, X-rays, and gamma rays all consist of photons, which contain particular amounts of energy depending on the wavelength. Visible light, in particular, allows us to gather information about our surroundings through our eyes. Light interacts differently with different kinds of matter. Opaque matter, like us, humans, and most solid objects, do not allow light particles to pass through. Transparent matter, like air, water, or a clear glass, allow particles to pass through. Translucent matter, like sunglasses, only allow a portion of light to pass through. Let's play a game. You have to guess whether these objects are opaque, transparent, or translucent. Gift box. Is it opaque, transparent, or translucent? Very good. It is opaque. A clear glass picture. Is it opaque, transparent, or translucent? Very good. It is transparent. Sunglass. Is it opaque, transparent, or translucent? Very good. It is translucent. I hope you had a wonderful time learning about sources of light. See you next time for another fun-filled learning only here at Online Class for Kids. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.